Angus, can you stop playing that song?
Angus, can you stop playing that song? You know, you playing that song is probably the real reason Grandpa kicked us out of the house.
No, Granddad said we have to go outside and play and for you to get off your phone.
Whatever.
What do you want to play? Oh, we could play tag, hide and seek. Well, what if we play cowboys and I've already got the hat?
No, Angus, I don't want to play cowboys.
Well, what about...
No, Angus! Didn't you hear me? I don't want to play cowboy.
Hey, Jasper! Jasper, look! Jasper, it's that thing we did last summer. Jasper, look!
You're dead, Angus!
Hey, stop following me!
Shut up! Stay down.
What is it? Cowboys? They'll wanna play.
Shut up.
Shut up! You saying shut up is being louder than me.
Be quiet, Angus.
You shut up!
I've just about had it with you, mister. I choose my next words very carefully.
You trying to intimidate me, cowpoke? I'll show you something intimidating.
What do we do, Jasper?
You gotta go back to the house.
We can't just stay here and do nothing.
Angus, get out of your imagination. This isn't one of your video games. Let's go.
Let's go.
Stay here.
I'll bet you couldn't kill nothing bigger than a jackrabbit with those guns, partner.
Them sound like some fine words to me, Yankee.
We can't just run.
We have to. I'm not getting shot.
Do what you want.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey! What's up? You guys know this song?
Came in last night at 10:30. That baby of mine wouldn't let me in, so move it on over. Move it on over. Move it on over. Move it on over. Move over, little dog, 'cause the big dog's moving in. She's changed the lock on our front door, and my door key don't fit no more, so get it on over. Move it on over. Scoot it on over. Move it on over. Move over, skinny dog, 'cause the fat dog's moving in. This dog house here is mighty small, but it's better than no house at all, so ease it on over. Move it on over. Drag it on over. Move it on over. Move over, old dog, 'cause our new dog's moving in.